First, years are understanding Layer 2, projects on blockchain. The scalability problem. Blockchains, with their promise of revolutionizing finance and other fields, face a major challenge called scalability. In simple terms, they struggle to handle the volume of demand as the number of users and transactions increases. This leads to slower transactions, higher fees, and a poor user experience. Layer 2. Solutions. Layer 2 refers to solutions that are built on top of an existing blockchain to address some of its limitations, particularly scalability. These solutions process transactions off the main blockchain, reducing the load on it while still benefiting from its security and decentralization. Types of Layer 2 solutions. Payment channels. These channels handle transactions privately between two parties and only record a summary of them on the main chain. Sidechains. These are separate blockchains that are connected to the main chain and can have their own rules and structures. Rollups. These bundle up a large number of transactions into a single packet and then record them as one transaction on the main chain. Zero-knowledge solutions. These use advanced cryptography to prove the validity of transactions without revealing all of their details. Benefits of Layer 2 solutions. Increased transaction speed. Transactions can be processed faster off the main chain. Reduced fees. Transaction fees can be lower due to reduced network congestion. Enhanced scalability. Layer 2 solutions can introduce new features without modifying the main blockchain. Notable Layer 2 projects: Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, Starkware, Bitcoin, Lightning Network, RSK, Cardano, Hydra, Binance, Smart Chain, BSC Sidechain. Considerations: security. Layer 2 solutions must be carefully designed to maintain the security and decentralization of the underlying blockchain. Centralization. Some Layer 2 solutions may be more centralized than the main chain, which could raise concerns for some users. Complexity. Layer 2 solutions can be technically complex, which may make them more difficult for some users to use. The future of Layer 2. Layer 2 solutions play a crucial role in realizing the full potential of blockchains. By providing solutions to scalability challenges, they can make blockchains a more usable and efficient platform for a wide range of applications.